subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Motorola has finally launched the Moto G20 smartphone in Europe with a unique rare design pattern. Talking about the specifications, the Moto G20 supports a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate, and it has a tall 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Uni-SoC T700 chipset paired with Mali G52 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM and 64 or 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Moto G20 features a quad camera setup on the rear in a rectangular module at the top left corner, including LED flash. The quad ray camera includes a 48MP main camera with f1.7 aperture plus 8MP ultra-wide angle lens with 118° field of view plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has an 13MP selfie camera under the V-shaped notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging support, and it runs on Android 11 based on MyUX skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an array-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it also comes with dedicated Google Assistant button for better voice control. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.2 by 75.7 by 9.1mm, and it weighs around 200 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Moto G20 has been priced in Europe at €149 for the base variant, and the pricing details for the 128GB storage option is yet to announce by the company. The smartphone will be soon available for purchase in Breeze Blue and Flamingo Pink color options. So what do you guys think of this Moto G20 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.